Hey guys, this is Delali here. For this video, we are going to look at how to scan the answers you have on your answer sheet and then upload it back to the Cibt e-learning platform. So let's head right into it. So first of all, you should know that there are multiple apps that can do the so-called scanning thing. Okay, there is Cam Scanner, there is Adobe Scanner. Personally, I use Microsoft Office mobile app to do so. Okay, now all this scanning is all about you taking a picture of your document and then the scanning app converting that picture into a PDF document or a Microsoft Word document. That is what the scanning actually means. Okay, and this is to enable you to upload whatever you have handwritten onto the Cibt e-learning platform so that the lecturer can access it and mark it. Okay, so I'm going to take you through how to use Cam Scanner to scan your document and then how to use Microsoft Office app to do the same thing. Okay, now other apps like Adobe Scanner, for those of you using iOS and not Android, you can use Adobe Scanner and it's basically a similar process. Okay, it is not anything complicated. You just need to know where your app stores the information or whatever document the app has created on your phone. You need to know where it has been stored. Okay, that is the most important aspect of this tutorial. All right, so let's start with Cam Scanner. So I'll open my Cam Scanner here, wait for it to load, and you can see I have one scanned document here. I really don't need it. I've created a PDF recently, but I really don't need it, so I can just delete it. In order to start scanning, okay, in Cam Scanner, when you get to the main screen, you need to tap this button here. Okay, so that would actually start creating images for you. So you tap on this button here and then you take a picture of your document. Okay, so let's assume that this is my solution. Let's say I'm doing theology and this is my solution to a question that has been asked. So the Cam Scanner takes the picture and it gives you these angle bars. Okay, so you can drag them anyhow you like, just to crop it to make sure that you are sending the right thing. So I'm going to just crop this here, and then afterwards you click on next. Okay, so I'll click on next, and then the Cam Scanner app will just add some contrast to it to make it very vivid. Then you click on save. That doesn't mean you are done. You want to add another page to your PDF. So just assume that the first picture you have taken is one page in the PDF document. Okay, so in order to add another page, just click on this thing again and then take your second picture. So let's say I'm doing calculus and they give me some very weird question for which I couldn't answer. So you take it, you crop it like before, you click on next. Cam Scanner would add some contrast to it. You can modify it again, add some more contrast, reduce the contrast, but I don't really think you'd have time for this during the examination. So but just to know that the option is there. Assuming you didn't crop it well, you can go back and then manage the cropping. Make sure that you have whatever you have taken is vivid enough for the lecturer to see. Then you click on next, and then when you're satisfied with whatever is showing, you click on save. So let's assume that these are the two answers that I have, and I want to convert these into a PDF document. Okay, you can either click on the share icon here, okay, or in case you go back, you can see that this is what we just took. If we click on it, let me go back. If we click on it, it would give us the opportunity to add more documents to it. Okay, so let's say you are done with it and then you want to share this document. You just tap and hold on it for a while, about 1 second, and then you click on share. When you click on share, it would give you options to share as PDF, to share as JPEG, to share as long image, or to share as text. What we want to do here is to share as PDF. Okay, so you click share PDF, and then you will see a lot of options. You would open a dialog with a lot of options. What you want to do is to save to local. You might not see this at the top here. You might see it somewhere within this place. You are seeing it at the top here for my situation because I've used it before. That is why it's showing right here, and I've used it for WhatsApp also. But then if you don't see it at the very top here, just look through the list. You'll see save to local. When you tap on it, it will save to your local phone system. Now you saw some dialog notification thing here. That is, it is telling you where the file was actually stored on your phone. Okay, in case you don't know it, and in case you are using Android, you can open your file manager. Let me open my file manager here. All right, so depending on your file manager, you should know how your file manager works. Okay, you go to your internal storage, and in the internal storage you look for cam scanner, the cam scanner folder. Okay, you tap on it, and then you look for the PDF folder within the cam scanner folder. So when you tap on PDF, you will see all the PDFs that cam scanner has already created. So you can see that this is the one that was just created. It was created just now. So when I tap on it, I can open it as a PDF file and look at it. So always verify where cam scanner stored your PDF document. Okay, it is most likely going to save it inside. When you go to the root directory of your local storage, you look for a folder called cam scanner, then PDF, then you see all the PDFs that cam scanner has saved for you. Okay, so let me go through how to use Microsoft Office to do the same thing. So I have the Microsoft Office app here, and in the Microsoft Office app, go to Actions. Don't click on this plus icon here. Go to Actions. You will see a lot of things you can do. You can convert image to text, image to table for Excel. You can sign a PDF. You can scan to PDF, and that is what we want to do in this case. You can, if you have already taken pictures, you can do pictures to PDF. Okay, so since I have already scanned, I will not do scan to PDF because I would have to take the pictures again. But then I have the pictures already, so I can just go to pictures to PDF, and then it would ask me to select the pictures. I don't see the pictures showing here. That is because I took it with cam scanner and not my camera, so Microsoft Office can't find it. So let's just do scan to PDF. So it is similar to the cam scanner. You just take a picture of whatever you have written, and then you crop it. And then you confirm. The good thing about cam scanner is that it adds a lot of contrast to whatever you have typed, but Microsoft Office just takes it clear like that, so you can see it looks much orange. That is because of my camera. Okay, so you click on done, and you see that it has already created a PDF. Okay, and this is not what I want to do. In case you make that mistake, you can always go back. I can discard this, go back to scan to PDF, take the image again, so you can crop it anyhow you like. I'm going to make this really fast. Instead of clicking done here like I did before, you click add new, which will give you the opportunity to keep like scanning more pictures. Okay, so I'm going to take a picture of this one too. I'm going to crop it and confirm. So you realize that we have two. So afterwards, you would not see the done here. You will see this arrow, like right arrow thing. You tap on it, and it will show you the pages. You see 1 of 2, 2 of 2. Okay, keep in mind that when you click done, it starts creating your PDF for you. So when I click done here, it has created my PDF document for me. So you see scan 5th August 2020.pdf. I can decide to rename this file or share it or do whatever. In this case, I want to do save as, and this Microsoft Office app would give you the permission to save to your local device or your online cloud storage or whatever. I want to save this to my local device. I want to save it into storage, and I just want to leave it here. So I'll click on save because I know where I saved it. So when I open my file manager, I go to internal storage. I just saved it to the root of the internal storage. So that is what you have here. So when I open it, you can see that this is the PDF document that I just created. Okay, so this is how to scan with Cam Scanner or Microsoft Scanner. It is very simple. If you have Adobe Scanner for both Android and iOS, you can do the same thing. Now let's quickly go into the Cibt e-learning platform to see how we can upload the document. So you open the Cibt e-learning platform, and then you go to your exams, the exams that you are currently doing. Okay, now in this situation, there is no exams question. When I go to exams and multiple choice questions, there is nothing there because there is no exams in progress for this particular course. Okay, so I'm just going to make a fake submission. So I'll go to student assignment setup just to show you how to upload the document. And it's telling me I made a submission recently. So let's say edit submission, and let me remove this document. Okay, so now in the examination, okay, at the bottom of your question, after you have seen all your questions, you are going to see something that looks like this thing: file submission, maximum file size 1 GB, and all of these things. You will see it exactly as it is here. Okay, keep in mind that this is a fake submission I'm doing, but in your examination, beneath all the questions, all your exams questions, you see this thing, and you tap on this arrow showing down here. You tap on it, and then you make sure upload a file is selected. Okay, then you scroll down. Under attachment, it will tell you to choose file. You see no file is chosen yet, so it will tell you to choose file. So you go to files, and then these are recent files that I just created. But assuming you don't see this option, it depends on your file manager. Everybody's file manager is different. Okay, so I'll go here, and then I'll go to my internal storage, and then I'll scroll down. In the root of my internal storage, this is the Microsoft document that I created. So when I tap on it, you see it will show here. Assuming you want the Cam Scanner one, you choose file, you go through the same process. This is my root storage. If you don't find it, just go to the side menu and select your hard drive, your phone's hard drive. Okay, now look for Cam Scanner. There are a lot of options here. I don't think I see Cam Scanner here, but it should be here somewhere. Yeah, Cam Scanner. So tap on it, look into the PDF folder, and select the Cam Scanner document. In this case, I'll select the second one. You see it's showing here. Now you can decide to save as some name. You can ignore the save as. You can even ignore the ATA. You can ignore the license and click upload file. So when you click upload file, you see that this loading spinner thing will be showing there, and then whatever you have uploaded, after you have waited for a few seconds and it has uploaded, depending on your internet connectivity, the file will show here. That doesn't mean you are done. You have to click save changes. Okay, when you click save changes, it is going to upload your file and send it to the lecturer, so then the lecturer can see it. But as you have uploaded it here, it hasn't sent to the server, to the lecturer yet. It has only saved it for you to upload. Okay, so you click on save changes. I'm not going to do that because my lecturer would see that I have sent him something crappy and I might be in trouble. But then once you click save changes, it would upload to the lecturer and the lecturer can see what you have saved. Okay, so this is just the process. Keep in mind that after you have finished scanning, you need to know where the document was saved on your local phone system, and then you come into the app, go to the exams. Beneath the questions, you see this thing here, and then you tap to upload a file. Look for the file on your phone, upload it, and then you click save changes. When you click save changes, after everything has gone through and you want to complete the exams, you click on, there will be a button there that would say finish attempt. When you click finish attempt, your session of the examination will end. Keep in mind that if you do not upload the file and the time is up, it wouldn't allow you to upload the file anymore. It means that you have failed that particular examination. Okay, now on laptop, those who are going to be using their laptops, this is my recommendation, this is my advice to you. Now you can log into your laptop and your phone at the same time and still view the questions. Okay, that is one of the things that can be done. So with me personally, when I was writing research methods, I logged into my laptop and I did everything on my laptop. Okay, it wasn't a multiple choice question setup. Okay, I don't know what is going to happen if you have multiple choice questions set up. I don't know if you open it on your phone, everything will vanish. I really can't tell. But this is the advice I would give you. If you want to use the laptop, use the laptop. If you want to use the phone, use the phone. Now on the laptop, the same thing would show, okay, to upload a file. Now when you click upload a file, you wouldn't see that file on the laptop. So you need to have a way to connect your phone to your laptop. Now the easiest thing to do is to use your cable to connect from your phone to your laptop. So when you do that, you would see that your phone would ask you whether you want to charge the phone or whether you want to transfer photos or whether you want to transfer file. Now I'm referring to Android systems. Okay, I can't show you that now because I'm not connected to my laptop. But then you need to have a way, you need to practice it now and know how to transfer files from laptop to phone. So once you've connected your phone to your laptop, you go through the same process of tapping upload file, okay, on the laptop, and then you would open your file manager on the laptop for you to upload the file. But once you are connected to the laptop from your phone, you would realize that an option will be there for you to choose your phone's drive because it is connected. So when you choose your phone's drive, you go into Cam Scanner PDF, you select your file or whatever you saved your file to, you select it, and then it would get uploaded. Okay, so if you have any problems, you are writing the exams and you have any problem, let's say something happens, I advise that you call your lecturer immediately to seek for assistance. So I hope this video helps you, even though it's a little longer than expected. I hope it helps you to know how to scan your documents and to upload the files back to the Cibt e-learning platform. You can watch the video over and over to get the gist of it, but the process is simple once you are abreast with it. Thank you.